Hi, my name is Maliha and I got 10 grade 9s at GCSEs, including in maths. And today I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step guide as to how you too can hopefully get a 9 in maths. Without further ado, let's go straight into step 1. So step 1 would be to make a spreadsheet for yourself, including and listing every single topic from the specification of maths for your exam board. So this is an example that I've made. Obviously it's not complete, but this is just an example to show you like the kind of thing that you would make. So once you've listed out the topics, what you're going to do is you're going to go through each one and you're going to rag it. So rag stands for red, amber, green, which is a technique that we used back when I was in school. So red topics are essentially topics that you think you really need to work on. Amber would be topics that you don't know them like inside out. And then green would be stuff that you know like the back of your hand. This is the kind of thing that you're going to be doing. And you don't have to highlight the box in the specific colours if you don't want to. You could just put RAG for red, amber, green if you wanted to. You look for your exam board specification and you list the topics for that one, because the topics are going to be slightly different from exam board to exam board. There is a lot of crossover, but you want to make sure you get the exact topic so that you're able to really hone your revision in and make it accurate to your exam board. The second step, once you've done that, is obviously to then go through your red topics, make yourself confident on them. To go through them, go to, for example, BBC Bite Size is a really good one. Physics and Maths Tutor is also really good. YouTube channels such as Corbett Maths. So step 3, once you have gone through your red topics, what you're going to do first of all is obviously go back to your spreadsheet and then highlight the red box as green so you know you've completed it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make a flashcard on everything or all the key information that you've learned from that topic in your revision. The reason why I'm telling you need to make a flashcard is so that later on down the line you're not going to have to revise that topic all over again. All you need to do is be doing those flashcards regularly and that information will stick in your head. Now that you've made all your flashcards and you've gone through all your topics and your whole spreadsheet is now a glowing green for every single topic, what you need to do now is to practice. Maths is very much practice based because it's a skill based subject. Get the past paper up as a PDF file on your phone or your iPad screen or laptop or wherever. Just write out the answers and you're working on a piece of paper, a separate piece of paper, or in your notebook. Physics and Maths Tutor is probably the best site that I can recommend for doing the past papers. Make sure you're choosing the right exam board. Don't go for like exam boards that aren't the one that you're doing, because you're going to be doing the wrong questions for yourself. I'd recommend you do a past paper every single day. You can also be doing little bite-sized worksheets. I'll show you where you can find some bite-sized worksheets. Corbett Maths is another one that you can go on. If you click on worksheets, probably not 2D shapes, hold on. Click on GCSE revision and then click on the one that obviously you're going with, so higher ed Excel revision for example. And then you have all of these a bit of everything papers. You have their own revision checklist they've given you here. You have practice papers, you have revision cards, you have 5-a-day workbooks. There's lots of resources out there for you to be able to practice. And I know I said do a past paper every day. That's pretty much what I was doing towards the end. If you honestly think you're really going to struggle with doing past papers every day, what I was doing, especially towards the end in the run up to my GCSEs, is every night, like anyway, I would be sitting down like to watch my TV shows and stuff. What I would be doing is I would be watching my TV shows and doing a past paper at the same time. This is to do with like the different like subsystems within your short-term memory. It does actually work. Like you can focus on both things at the same time, because maths, if it was like an English past paper or something, then maybe it'd be harder for you to do that. But because maths requires a different part of your brain, it's more logical, it doesn't require words as much, then you can actually physically do a maths past paper and watch a TV show at the same time. I mean it worked for me. So if that works for you, if you think you'd be able to do that, because it'd save you a bit of time and it'd help you to get a bit more motivated because you're entertaining yourself and you're doing the past paper at the same time, then maybe you could try doing that. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have like any feedback or anything for me, just leave it in the comments. If you have any questions, again, leave it in the comments. I'll try and get back to you, or if you want to email me instead, that's perfectly fine as well. And I don't think I have anything left to say, so bye guys.